This is a 2011 Infiniti M37. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are included: memory settings for the seat's position so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a heated driver's seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, rear curtain airbags, air conditioning, brake assistance technology, rain-sensing windshield wipers, performance tires, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Bill Hood Imports is located at 318 North Morrison in Hammond. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.